Report, it's Pam Taylor.
Let's talk to Mrs. Taylor.
Oh, hi, how are you? I didn't get your email.
Okay. So how is the Christmas shopping going?
Oh, I'm not Christmas shopping, I'm working. But what did you, you said that you were going to email me the transcript of something you wanted to go over with me, and I didn't get the email.
You haven't got the email yet?
No, I haven't gotten it. When did you send it?
Check, I actually sent it like 5 minutes ago.
Well, let me double check again. No, I still haven't gotten it.
Anyway, maybe it's sure that I've sent it. Maybe it's just keep on refreshing, and it's going to be there. Because I have it here, it has been sent.
Okay, I just updated it. It isn't there. Well, I tell you what, I have your number. I will call you when I get the email. But one of the co-reporters on the date of 10/6/09 that you ordered, she said the transcript has been ready and it's just ready for you to pick it up, and it's $15.75.
Yes, I'm going to come there like next week. I'm not going to be in court like this week. Just try to refresh it. I can imagine you haven't have it yet.
I still don't have it. I still don't have it. I keep updating, and because that's what I have to hit on this particular one, and it's not here. So why don't I give you a call, because I was in the middle of making some more calls, and I'll call you. I'll keep refreshing it, and as soon as I get it, I'll give you a call, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Yes, ma'am?
Yes. Miss Melongo?
Yes?
Hi, this is Sam Taylor.
Okay, well, you have the email now?
Right, I have the email, and what is it that you want me to look at?
Okay, can you go to line like 16?
On what page?
I think the first page.
Line 16, on the very first page says present.
Oh, hold on. The first page where I say I understand this morning.
The second page, line 16, says, Mr. Flood, we've got it. The third page, line 16, says, Mr. Flood, correct. The fourth page, line 16, says, the court, thank you.
Yes, that's the one.
The fifth page, line 16, has Ms. Laudine's signature.
The second page, line 6.
Line 6, okay.
Can you...
This morning, I understand they re-indicted my client, and the new complaint is before you for arraignment.
Okay. When you read that line, what did you? I just want your opinion. What does it mean?
Well, is Mr. Flood still your attorney? Because he really should be explaining that to you.
No, I said no. It's not. It has nothing.
Because it looks like here, Mr. Flood is your attorney, and he's saying this morning, I understand they reindicted my client, and the new complaint is before you for arraignment. And a reindictment, and I'm just a court reporter. I'm not a lawyer, and really, Mr. Flood should be explaining this to you.
No.
Evidently, you were indicted under an 07 number. 07. I don't remember the rest of the number. And sometimes what they do is re-indict, but they re-indict under a different number. I don't know if there was another crime committed, or if they found something else. I don't know. That's best explained by your lawyer.
No, Pam, it has nothing to do with that. Just tell me in plain English. It said this morning they re-indicted the client. It means the indictment was that morning, right? When you read that line. It has nothing to do with any kind of legal aspect.
No, this morning sounds like he found out that morning that you were re-indicted. It's not saying the re-indictment happened that morning. He found out that day. The re-indictment could have been before. They could have taken your case before a grand jury and re-indicted you, and then the state's attorney told your lawyer, we've re-indicted her, and he found out that day, that morning.
Exactly, that's what I wanted to say. So my lawyer...
But you really can't quote me. I mean, Ms. Melongo, what I'm telling you, I don't want you to think that it's the gospel. I'm just a court reporter. I think that any of these legal things that you need to know, you need to either talk to Mr. Flood or talk to another attorney, and they can best explain to you. I do not want you to think that what I'm saying is something that you can, like, say, for instance, go before a court and say, well, I talked to Pam Taylor from the court reporter's office, and they're going to say, who is Pam Taylor from the court reporter's office? She's just a court reporter.
Pam, can you cool off, please? Please, just cool off.
Oh, no, I'm not upset. I'm just explaining the situation.
Okay. Now from line 6, the same person said this morning they re-indicted. And then line 12, they say he has received it over the mail and then he got it. Can you read from line 12 to line 16?
We did have something come in the mail on the case. It was a grand jury transcript, which is exactly what I just said. They took your case before a grand jury. They re-indicted you. They sent your attorney the transcript. Whoever this Mr. Polasek has both copies. I'm sure he would be mailing it to counsel.
And then he said we've got it.
And right, your attorney said we've got it, which makes sense why he said earlier this morning, I understand, they re-indicted my client, because he got the transcript stating that they had re-indicted you.
Okay. Pam, don't you see there's kind of a contradiction?
Oh, no. It's not up for me to see anything. It's not up for me to see anything. I see exactly what I read. Quite frankly, it makes perfectly good sense to me. And it doesn't matter what I think.
Okay, let me...
It really doesn't. It doesn't matter what I think. It looks like my court reporter heard what she heard, wrote down what she heard, and it sounds perfectly fine to me.
Okay. Now let me see. Let me tell you now what I tell you. I know exactly what happened. The same lawyer cannot say this morning, I understand they re-indicted. For him, he think the re-indictment happened that morning. And then the same person cannot say at line 16 that he got it in the past, that the transcript was sent to him in the past. It doesn't make sense, because on the transcript there's a day, the date when the thing happened. There's no way the same person can say something like that, because those two statements are contradictory.
Well, then that's something you're going to have to put before the judge, Ms. Melongo. That's something you have to... I've said this before. There's something you're going to have to put before a judge. If you feel that this doesn't make any sense, then that's something you have to take before the judge that's hearing your case. This is something that you have to take before a lawyer and present to him and tell him this doesn't make sense. There is absolutely nothing that I or this office can do for you. The transcript is what it is.
Pam, now can you give me some? Now, because of this contradiction, I reread the transcript, and I tell you, Pam, I have an excellent memory. I remember things that happened 15 years ago. So when I read that transcript, my first reaction was I was not there. But then when I read the transcript over and over and over again, then I found out that the transcript itself is a forgery. Line 6 to 8 has been added to the transcript, and that's why the line 6 and 8 is a contradiction with line 16.
Well,
and then
I can tell you on behalf of the official court reporter's office and every court reporter that works in this office, it is not our business to add anything, because we are, and not only are we officers of the court, we are completely not for or against anybody. We're not for the state. We're not for the defense. We're not there we're just there to do our job, which is to take down what you hear, regardless of what is said or how it's said. There is no, there would be nothing for her or a court reporter. There would be no reason for a court reporter to add in anything. Because that's not their job. Our job is to simply take down what we hear, regardless of who says it or how they say it or what they say. We're not there on anybody's side. We are the impartial person of the record. We are just there to make the record and take down what we hear and put it down. So, Ms. Melongo, there's really nothing else that I can do for you as far as this transcript. I think I've given you all the advice I can possibly give you. I think that if you have a problem with the transcript, because I'm going to stand by this reporter, stand by this transcript, and if you really think that there are flaws or things in the transcript, like I told you previously, I really think you need to motion your case up before the court and explain it to the court and go from there. But other than that, Ms. Laudine has transcribed this transcript to the best of her ability, and what she feels is in her notes. She's put a certificate to that effect, and I'm not going to tell her to take anything or take anything out or put anything in, because she has already done what she feels she has had.
Okay.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Ms. Melongo. You take care.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.